Evangelist Abraham Amoateng and Osham Timothy Class TV so. Memoakwaba. Baby, I will be an old video, who show video where we are, and ya for enche. If you send someone back the mood, a far a branch be a friend of evangelist are there. Me per se, ni penny them who say, and some be free and no ba. Imutu, if you say, rather boy and say, ni subanson and a sash. Also, the new assembly boy we are saying, it if the air kept beyond to know say, or the new assem, and the baby and attend. You may free a new baby. The Bible saying, ye call your moon, your hoofing, and will be free and no ba in a wee hoofing. Tina to me when you pay appearance, no bunny pa, but to be an anono casana ya, or come on some zako, is an enemy boon better yet. New map, evangelist are there, you know. Mintibusu ni being castle or casa achano. Let's ye. And yammy one. If you say Acts chapter 16 or Ababa one come to me once so not or the wapa me fear ye or the ye be fear mna. Pit Paul a two a common home. Most solidity are Paul. Mama you don't go to a fias. A piani any sika or munyan a free evangelist are there won't push any be any go casa. Na you who say a canentina akato. Na media me say ukoto sa aboasi wunu aso akasa sore yeso nkasa sore no so fizin so de bawo obi nim bra me bre e wo nyame adwuma mu ibedru mre bi na ne sesu bi anase ono ankasa e be sore atia me because of nyema ba ko mi wo be hwe afa me ho na wo be seke ho abekeka nkwase asem me se man bat se Phinehas Numbers chapter 25 o se na awurade bufu ye say hwe na Israel mo adwaman ne afoforo ane da no ne aman afoforo ane da na mrante ne yesa no Moses shemra sen ki nku abranti bia wa yesa na so Phinehas e ma awurade akomato ne yam o twen krante kum abranti a wan fa ni wo na okofa obaade ne bedae Phinehas ko Phinehas no ye Eliza eba Eliza nso ye Aaron ba Numbers chapter 25 iti adia evangelist ade eya me bebisa ne nsemfo bi na minim say ya ne nsa be ka video iti papa evangelist se o tin nsem ya nsem won bi ma wiase nyina ehunu question answers awodema na bonefo no atom tinie evangelist ade bonefo no atom if you say wo tachrema no utumi de naada YouTube ho no mo yetua omutua ka wo reach the number of viewers a yetua wo ka wo ti the more na all the enyoma faf ohun say bad news esele pa ade ya atrosem oton aye beto on say Ghana ni wiase ankasa ne mpe nokore etina so obi ya ade opesum ehye nti yesi ehanma no esuma nyimnya asase ehanma no Yesu ne ka asasem enti di ono obeton no mo beto oton ade pa mo nto enti nsamone no obeton afa afoforo no beto evangelist obusuafo bebre na awuo but umfa meto abontene da say ebia this is what constituted to the death of a family member obeto the secrets in your family but you have kept it to yourself and then I am exposing you. You have kept so many things you know about your family to yourself and you have stepped out ripping homes apart. And there are some Proverbs chapter 60 verse 28 was a dishonest man spreads strife and a whisperer separates close friends. Be your counsel sembia. Why no control chini biano or etakra wujem. Na bonsam so ohun se utumi daada oboawo or adoptive or be any ba. Also the di kind daada okọ ya aseme no kan. Ono ma no kure entro be ye no kure. Okachi Adam ni Eve say Eve musimu dibia mbe woseyan osenye wula mbe wu. Moni ne betie. Ama ye se nyankopon. Mohuru papa ne bone me pa cho. Also what did the end results are bad na ko hinta. Yanso na awurade ma wo mudi kan hu ye. Nkoma anko ho. But what the no ko hinta no mo nya empremprem emfaso a ewa aduaba ne die. Sa na evangelist ade o ye. Uma ochidifo a wama so wo mudi wachi no. Uma atro be ye no korema wo. Omuso masom ye omu hininti. Ompese de bi omu tensem onye fa afoforo. Nipa bi sika eno omu ye di omu ye ni ya na eye omu ya. So when so much bad news about them, and you are the one who is feeding them with the information. Ibisa, as an evangelist, what is your core duty? Evangelists are there. Ibisa, as an evangelist, who you was empakeni. A dear to my son, a radium or so fry a frame on the money enter. But your evangelist, your froze a brabayede. So now cook yourself an enina. Moko casam pana the obedi the monasu and said your one is as some pap bang and what can. And nunti, as I see a duty. Ibisa was an evangelist. What is your core duty? And what are you evangelizing? A dear puna obo hunde wu. A dear puna oka some travel from. My young who say afofro duma. Who say afofro a dear mabuano enya. Who tarnish the image, the integrity of others. Who say afofro mudi. You know nene adia suma sabrabe. It who pesa uche me say ne ye radi sania unifo when you yen. Very careful. Misa wasembi. Evangelists are there. What is your source of information? Is it that you get close friends to those you are destroying, that they feed you with the information, or unya information through trance, or unya information through dreams, or unya information through visions? And I say, evangelists are there. Let the word know. We are research. And I said, "No, because I'm going to say my say." Now me know kasa no be cycle ho because me Illuminati. Evangelist. Nya wo de pe ho ni ka hu se ne ope no nya no afa kwampa so. What is akokohwedi a obutukusu anya ne dia so. Na de me den se wiye no. Obebu ni na fa mu ache, obeye okwasea. Me so obeye de obeye okwasea. Ebusua ntumi nka bi bisa wo di sika ne bi hwe wo mu. What is oba na na akomo nso no de hwe na ebusua. YouTube tua wo ka wo. It will be saying a man for the young. Like a who's about the botachino. Baonian. What is your source of information? Through research, worldly knowledge, trans. Bible say many Aaron, any Miriam Casada Yeshumu, na many Moses Casa Anoniano. Who any? Juicy visions. Una dear. Who a third eye? Who a second eye? Very careful. You are stepping on too much toes. You think where you are hiding, you can destroy people to get yourself, to gain wealth. But I am a man of God like you. Me a man of God. But baby, I'm wolf. That is not the calling. That is not the calling. And you're offering no. We know offering. James chapter 3, verse 13. Was it who is wise and understanding amongst you? By his good conduct, let him show his works in meekness of wisdom. So what the say evangelist? James chapter 3, verse 13. Refer. Who is wise and understanding amongst you? By his good conduct, let him show his works in meekness of wisdom. Titus chapter 3, verse 2. So say, don't speak evil of no one. Show perfect courtesy towards all people. Shenipa mukure mudi. I will say, now is a comforting kroma, confronting kroma. I don't know, yes, sir. Adiabechi, who say we? Adiabechi, oh. Now, almost say what car, but what poor so baby. I may show. Okay, count of you once, but me who say there is one particular person to mankind. Now, new unity in the Papa can answer. Me can answer. New unity. To me was anything. Now, Traneko. I be who's a hot throw. On some can only any penny wenty. I will say, na sen camera some so depend ya. Come yen yako. On so near Radiakoa. Me na make catch you plane. So I've come as a Phinehas to rebuke you, to straighten the path, to set the record straight. If the men of God around us won't be able to tell you the truth to your face, evangelists are there. Tell the world the source of information, how you are able to gather what you say about people. Tell them. Because I am ready to tell you straight to your face. But this video I'm medical day by the maybe can't maybe more to a new tool. I can yes I am. How do you get information about them? Unya visions be out. Unya trans. And then I assume. And then through close relations be out. I am telling you, I am about to expose you big time. We get the proper my guy. Menko evangelist menko we a warm up we a warm up action. Let us be straight to ourselves. When you're around the edumano, when you are friend here, dear friend, and no one what's name. We make it can some in him. If I have from a good money massy, if you are no you, then touch a man. Somewhere there and touch a mason. A jow, as I use you. It to ja, it means soldier. Oh, yeah, be careful. You need to know something about the business. And someone who can unite already sunning now, but me defend it. Who bet to me at Dina Hossan, who couldn't eat it. Medium in baby, only information. You quite our fossil, as our quite our fossil. I think. Cannot correno, and a corner be many party won. Tell the truth. Manocre nady. And can someone in him. And you can I trust him. But I am a ya. Say a nipan casani, your tongue, your son, a man some whom. It is the inspirational messages cry to social media as well. It's hard for us to even get number of people be so memory. But in some who but also ye shaman, some yen some who a yen some kick fun far from one. Then the party tree near Babylon, there be albina womb. There be albina womb. There be albina womb. If say Nipan Casano, we are the CEO of our own lives. But you are my mount from womb. If I want to ever control your life, my into manage yourself. We cannot manage what we hear. We can't manage what we see. And we can't manage what we speak. Yankasa into manage you. All the time you will get set people to follow you. Those people who cannot manage themselves, who are the CEOs of their own lives, but they allow people to manipulate them. They are the people you always get. They are the people you always get. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. Rather home. Now we see naturally. Many persons rather nkoa. Oh many persons. Oh ma. Any person see rather naturally because they did that was near the evangelist. Os many. Hey, who ye who be? Na near wunem. Kwatani fam. He has it. But a kofana sifu now. In the winnie. Na say okra oyebo na okra na you. There's human errors be one of my yeno ya sitting mu a ye ma nchiri ma be fam ti ne wo ye no wo ya ade atwasa bi ato na ya pam a wo pam ato ama wo ma be fam ti ya na me person ka wo expose nioma ekoso wo busuam ho abayisam na ekoso wo busuam ka expose wo mu wuo kon fa so wuo nka be expose akwan wo fa so duru abrochire ho no be expose ekwan a wo fa so a wo di sika wo YouTube di no expose oja ofie nsem nyina ho efie nsem nyina waja ho na amanfo nsem a enye nokore na wo ka go mu fi hweniye enka metumi aka nsem a sini sei e di akere pa but you see he who drowns for the madman is mad himself. So I will not drown for you. I will not drown for you. Ntina na prempe bu bibi say. So who dware no bodam ni be you atade no de ko. Na o de America di na chi amu ni amabodam. Enti me by say me ba be ka kire wo say wan ka say expose how you get your information. And yes me a me to mata bomb am wo hu say yes. Unhunu hwe yo. Unhunu ade. Unhunu ade yo. Unhunu ade. me si unhuna de me na me ka kire wo unhuna de unyo obi unhuna de na me ba be ka kwan a wo fa so a wo say afoforo na me pese me ma wo kwan me ma some few days so unya video ya come out yourself come and tell how you get your information, how you fabricate the lies, how you do things. Come out. Expose one who will push you and maybe your free. Expose woman. And yes, idea. The Bible told me that bomb. And I am ready for you. Because when my own saying I'm in coffee, to say Phinehas, I have a zealous heart to put a stop to the nonsense. Yes, Phinehas, stop the nonsense that never cost war. A brand name kasa. And Moses kasa. Or put a stop to it one time. So for one sorry. Now this evangelist are there will produce a copy of himself to continue where he will reach. Now nobody knows how we are suffering in the ministry. But ya pray once ko si pompon so radi na eradi apejama ko dum pompon. I am doing this because it is say ya kuku damfo bi won a wose wo mudin, and spiritually they are clean. Spiritually they are clean. Yes, Mr. Wanyeni, spiritually these people are clean and he is destroying them. He is destroying them. Now touch them out. I try touch them and what they say, oh, they are clean spiritually. So why should we allow it? I was expecting some big men to rise up against him. It's not about fighting with him, but set the record straight with facts. Rebuke him. Let him feel the heat. Call him to order. By so doing, step out. Cross the line again. We are make us actually no. Obese Jimmy Kuras ni say because you know na afoforo be kwa kwahwe no. Obeto amane ama obenya wona waton wona sum de e dia ma atrosem. Nti ombe kwa kodi nachi. Ewurade won hu ya mobo pa. Ewurade won hu ya mobo. Nipa pe ensem a esai nipa ho nsem tie. We are say obentia is asemesi ayi say de biara da obi nye firi base obi illuminati em se won ko anu obusua no mo na ya mark mo say mo ko heaven but wonnim ye wo ye wonnim nyome bu wo hono mo a ese wo sra ho bone fache na urade hu mo bone ode chew sacha wa kwan ne ko si kwantempo titi atempo no so na koye osoma no ho adwuma ofre no ho adwuma no ko ne koye ejan se muhunu na o ye di nya sika na nipa 9000 ni ahwe na YouTube asende o no adi eno ana ye wo de say o de ekoso ayesa na ba esa kokko hwede obutu koso anya no yaso ewie no bebu na fam ache na ba ye okwase a rade akoa evangelist Abraham Amwati na ahwe mi wetu na from the voice ni nipa nkane na meka because me manum nsem so wuti a ebe esa otu amerika betu amerika wonko nante na ona akokeka chichi ebe esa wo nante no so wonko tu amerika wakwa akopa ahwe nsem mudu ya ye ofre no ho adwuma ya urade ja dom foforo so akan ho ya ani ya urade adom nti ya so yemfa ni nkwase asem de buo nipa yemfa nsa nipa ya de adom ne buo nipa yemfa nsa nipa woni afoforo enche na munhu se enwoma bi ikoso a akwa you should stop following him. Mumfama so mansempa ye urade nam ye so ka nsem e urade to etache masom ye de wada mo amabre nsem ye nim disem ka e nya sasem ka a ye tie muro no so ɛma anyansafo hunu nyansa koso hunu nyansa na adwodwontwe po a ɔhwehwe ase ɔmfa wakoma ɛma nsɛmpa ɔmo nyai social media nneɛma yɛ trend a ɛmfa ɛnkosi aga nyansasɛm bi anim na ɛsɛe akoma ne adwene ɛsɛe tire na mɛtire wuo ɔtwe mo ho mfiri saa nneɛma nim Awurade wɔnhyira mo wɔnte n'anim nkyerɛ mo ɔma mo nte aseɛ honhom na ɔntumi ɛmo honhom aseɛ tim wɔ mu na motumi fa differentiate between bad and good motumi separate the chaff from the wheat na motumi hunu nea ɔka ne kora ne deɛ ɔdi atoro na mo ankasa mo control deɛ mo pɛ sɛ mo de mo so teɛ ɛnyɛ nneɛma pa a mpere ho konkotie it is a sex scandal bi obi yɛ pa akɔkɔhwɛ bad information travel faster nti na ama wayɛ na adwene sɛ ɔbɛsɛe nipa na me se bomb bi bɛba ɔn sɛ sɛ my Tyson ɔbɛbɔ wo anaasɛ Holyfield ɔbɛbɔ wo ku a ɔdododododo a wei deɛ mede bɛdodo wo I want him to come out himself ɔno ambra out ɔmɛkasa ɔno ambra out ɔmɛpa nkwanyifo bi kyɛ ɔmpa nipa bi kyɛ wo because ɛkɔn ɔfa so nya information ɔmɛ say I will expose him ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔno abɛpa kyɛ ɔmɛpa kyɛ wo sɛ nneɛma bi wɔ ɔyɛ ɛmfa nkosi aga nyansa bia nim ɔmɛpa kyɛ wo na Awurade mfa ne fam so ɔnkyɛ no. There are some men of God who are clean spiritually. I was so good, but onim se or they say no, and then in Chima. Amen.